Alright guys, good morning again guys. This is it. This is my spot again yesterday to Mr. G. Gabriela. Bro, good morning also bro. See, look, this is the office of Mr. Gabriela guys. This is yesterday. Right, we get close. Then in the pathway again guys. Right. And then si Mr. Masang guys. Mr. Masang, good morning. This is Palawan guys, half caste Japanese. This is my new friend. See, yesterday I'm here also guys. I don't load my I-catching yesterday. But by the way guys, this the weather in Saipan today is very bad guys. Because the typhoon the tropical storm, I don't know that's the tropical storm, but that's I see it already like big typhoon guys. By the way guys, I'm Lizzie again guys. See, look, I don't go this side guys, but I like the now in the pathway guys. See, look, I want to stay there, and I catch the first catch guys. Alright, wait guys, because this one's very heavy again guys. Alright, wait. Yeah. Alright, another catch guys. Oh, okay guys, this is it. Alright, thank you for watching this guys. Good morning guys. This is fishing boy guys. Good morning fishing boy. And si Mr. Masang, the Japanese guy, half caste Japanese, Palawan Japanese, that guy. Yeah. Alright. And this is my catch guy, look. The big mama again guys.
Big one.
Yeah. Yeah, according to Mr. Masang, is big size guys. See, look. Okay. This is another one guys. Kunin naman natin guys. Dito naman tayo sa itaas ng ano, wag man sana maputol guys. Right? Yeah. Alright, this is it. See? Uy. Good size again. See, big it to my Saipan guys. Right? Yeah, and the pokso guys, very big stomach. Like Papa Joey. Alright. Guys, shout out to fishing boy and Daddy Adler and over ISP guys. Look. Alright guys, done already guys to fishing guys. See, look at the Saipan today guys. This is already guys. I think this is already a typhoon already guys. That's why almost home guys. Almost home. Going home to my house. See, look. Alright. I met there say Mr. What's this? Si boy, big fishing guys with me guys today. Alright, signal to the left side guys. Alright, full Saipan. At least I catching only 2 pieces guys. At least good size. Alright, this is my mansion. Nagapintura pa nun sa bahay ko ngayon doon. This is it. Alright guys. See? It's raining guys. Look, Papa Jerry. Outside, guys. See? Bad weather today. I cast only two good size. At least still have catching. At least mayroon sa wala, di ba? Kasi losing din ako, guys. May lose akong maputi din. They look outside. See? Read that one. Maybe whole day. So tomorrow also. It's raining. Heavy rain, Saipan today. Right? And I love you guys. Don't forget to subscribe. Umayos guys. Alright? And this coming 21, I think, guys, this is starting of the reviews. Umayos di. 670 guys. Yeah, and Papa Jerry guys, right? Alright, thank you for watching this video, guys. Heavy rain in Saipan today. Bye.